Okay, who's the landlord? Who's the landlord?
I'm not going to tell you. I'm not.
Are you a licensed real estate agent, Ryan?
Yes, I am.
Okay, so if you are a licensed real estate agent, if you don't provide the information I'm asking for, I'm going to be turning you over to the board and the state, and I'm going to have your license removed. I will. No problem.
Okay, do that. Okay, go ahead. All right.
What is with you, sir?
Hello?
Ryan.
This is Ryan. What can I do for you?
Hi, Ryan. My name's Danny. I'm looking to rent some space.
Other than your match.
Say that again. I'm sorry.
Say that again.
Which part?
All of it.
I don't do rent property.
You don't do rent property. Okay. So you work in the capacity of the sale of this mall. There's a laundromat there, among other things. We're talking about the same property.
Okay, but I don't do rent.
I heard you, sir. You don't do rent. I get it. So you,
okay.
Did you want me to call the landlord to talk about renting the space?
Probably, but I don't think there is any open space in here.
Well, business continues.
Open space in this property?
Yeah, yes, there is. Business continues. Yes, business continues to go on, whether or not they're able to sell the building. I might buy the building, in fact, as a tenant. What's the sale price?
I have no idea, so you better contact the landlord directly.
So you're not selling the building for the landlord?
I'm not.
Oh, okay. I thought you were the right guy. What's the content?
I'm just selling the property. I'm just selling the property. I'm just selling the business, and you need to find the landlord information by your own.
You're selling the business?
Uh-huh.
Oh, okay. I thought you were selling the property. Which business are you selling, sir?
No, it's a Laundromat.
The laundromat. Okay, now we're getting somewhere. You're selling the laundromat business. Okay, I understand. All right. Well, let me out quickly. What's the sale price of the laundromat?
So are you the broker, or are you interested to buy the?
No, I own 36 coin laundromats, sir. My name is Danny D'Angelo. I already introduced myself, Ryan.
Okay, so you can find the information from the bizbuysell.com, and so you can.
Okay, who's the landlord? Who's the landlord?
I'm not going to tell you the information.
I can't do that for you, Don.
I'm not.
Are you a licensed real estate agent, Ryan?
Yes, I am.
Okay, so if you are a licensed real estate agent, if you don't provide the information I'm asking for, I'm going to be turning you over to the board and the state, and I'm going to have your license removed. I will. No problem.
Okay, do that. Okay, go ahead. All right.
What is with you, sir? What is exactly with you? Explain it to me. Yeah, he hung up. So what you did, Keith, is you gave me a business broker's telephone number, and you throw me to the wolves, and you have me call a business broker who's not selling the dirt. He doesn't work for the landlord. And by the way, I'll let you fill in the blank. What kind of person is this guy?
What kind of thinking is that?
That's suit thinking. Something happens to a man when he puts on a necktie, cuts off all the oxygen to his brain.
Well,
it is laughable.
You know,
I think it's funny.
Yeah, exactly. And so basically, with my situation here, I thought that's what I needed to do.
Okay, but it doesn't matter. I don't call business brokers. Okay. He's not a management company. He doesn't work for the landlord. He's not the landlord. He's a business broker.
Right. And then remember, I said the realtor that sent me the information.
No.
That's what I put in there.
But only you can tell the story how you got the info. A realtor who thought you wanted to buy the business sent you the business broker's telephone number. And this man is not only a moron, not only barely has command of the language, but is not the person we need to speak with. Did you hear what he said about the landlord? You need to find the landlord on your own. By the way, this is exactly the way this goes for people that are trying to do business properly in laundromats. You've got a piece of broker. What a scumbag, right? What a piece of
Wait a minute, that's ridiculous.
What's the sale price? He knows I'm not going to buy the business, so he heard me say I want to rent the space. So he says, go find it on Buy Biz Sell. That's where you found it, right?
No, I found it from what Ryan sent me.
The guy I just talked to is what? That doesn't make, okay,
Yes,
whatever.
Well, some of this stuff doesn't make any sense.
Okay.
He sent the stuff through via
Keith,
email.
what? So he emailed
sir.
you out of the blue. He just found your email on a business card in the dirt and emailed you information on buying a laundromat. He's a
put on
broker. He's a business broker.
Right.
Who do we talk to
Understand.
in order to do this thing that we do? Who do we talk to?
You talked to the owner of the building? Or
5
the
seconds
operator
ago, I
of the
begged you
laundromat?
not to use the word owner.
Not sure you got your priorities straight.
Oh, I looked at the wrong word. Okay, I got that. Okay, I understand that. So, okay, mistake again. Operator of a laundromat or someone who owns...
You think the operator of the
someone
laundromat is going to give you the keys to their store?
No.
Okay.
No.
Who provides us
So this is the reason...
the information?
Can I speak, Chris?
Yeah, we're both
So
speaking.
basically,
Absolutely.
this is why it took me so long a time because I couldn't find the owner. I
The
could
owner.
not find
The owner of what?
person of the strip mall,
The landlord.
landlord. Yes.
And you still haven't found the
Yes.
landlord.
Exactly.
Okay. But we've been on the
That's
phone
the
for
reason- and that's the reason
26
why I put-
minutes and calling a
Oh my
broker. I
goodness.
could call brokers all day long.
I understand this.
Why are you so upset?
Understand. That's the reason why.
What's up? You seem kind of upset.
No, I'm not upset. But
Okay,
you sound like you're frustrated.
Oh, I'm
But I'm trying to
frustrated.
explain to you.
What I need from
I'm trying to
you,
explain to you.
who do we call? Landlords?
I'm sorry.
Who do we call to do this? Landlords or their agents? All of this is in writing. I need from you the landlord or the agent, not the business broker, not the operator. In this case, you've given me a phone number for the operator of the business, their cell phone number, the number at the laundromat, and the business broker, who, by the way, this is mental masturbation. When we call the business broker, they're going to do the same thing every time. If I called him back from a blocked line and said, hello, can I buy a laundry? I'd get all the information. He goes, go to buy, biz, sell. What I need from you is the landlord or their realtor.
You'll find it. Just follow the smell of money.
And if you can't find it, we can't make a call. That makes sense, right?
Oh yeah, gotcha.
Okay. For every single store that you scout, you might have dangling participles, you might have laundromats that you have no idea who the landlord or their agent is. Whomever sits on the other side of the lease negotiating deal. Can this guy, Ryan, negotiate a lease with me here? Even if he wanted to?
No.
Absolutely not. Can the operator? No. Have you ever seen me make a telephone call to a business broker who's selling a laundromat, who's going to hand me the keys for free? Of course, we both know the answer to that. No big deal. There's no reason to continue the conversation. Get the good put it in front of me, go over the protocol, send me a text, you're ready.
Thank you. Yes, sir.
Thank you. I appreciate you. Ciao, ciao. I'm pretty sure this hot water heater's got a few more good years left in it.